Start with an A4 sized paper in portrait orientation, on a flat surface. The plane should be identical on both left and right side. So, let's make a reference crease at center of the paper by folding it into half. With the paper folded half, find the shortest edge and bring to the center we just created. Make a strong crease at the slant edge formed from above step. Make sure to use old ID cards or debit cards to make creases. Here, I use my nail to demonstrate how tough it will be to make a perfect crease with nails. It will hurt too. Repeat the fold on the other side. Make sure that the created slant edge is aligned so that there is no protrusions. Don't forget to make a strong crease. Next step is to make another fold by bringing in the slant edge formed by previous fold towards the center. Make a strong crease. Repeat the fold on the other side. Now we will make the final fold. As like the previous step, bring the outer slant edge towards the center line. This will be our wing, so take some extra care. The wings has to be perpendicular to the body of the plane for this model. So open the last fold and place the plane upside down and ease out the crease. That's all, folks. Here is our classic dart. Hope you had a good experience in building your first plane in the course. Let's learn to fly this bird.